This is bad.
The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a tornado warning for South Central Cobb County in north central Georgia, northeastern Douglas County in north central Georgia, central Fulton County in north central Georgia until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
My HH just fell.
6:31 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Cascade Heights or near Atlanta, moving west at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Atlanta, East Point, Austell, Sweetwater Creek State Park, Six Flags Over Georgia, Cascade Heights, Sandtown, and Mableton. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Heavy rainfall may hide this tornado. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta.